Discover the magic of Google Docs. Whether you are writing a paper, collaborating on a project, or organizing your thoughts, this versatile tool makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with Google Docs. So first of all, what is Google Docs? So Google Docs is a free-based word processing application that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on documents online in real time. It offers various formatting tools, templates, and easy share options, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. So, for example, here we have Google, the homepage. As you can see, this is it. You have just to click over here and you get started. But before, you have just to open your browser and dive into Google Docs, and you will find this one. You have just to click over it and you will find this page, as you can see. So you have just to click over here. So to start with Google Docs, you have just to choose a blank document or select from various templates. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar for formatting options, inserting images, and adding links. To collaborate, like the share button, enter email addresses, and set permissions for others to view you or edit your documents. You are ready to start creating and collaborating seamlessly. So as you can see, here we have firstly, if I write the title, for example, I'll write test here, and here we have star, as you can see. And you have here checking this document is not ready for offline use. If you lose an internet connection, you can't edit this document. To access your documents without an internet connection, turn on offline. So this is it. Then we have here also, if we wanna move it to the Google here, and we have here all locations, for example, from hard drive, shared drives, computers shared with me. As you can see. So then we have here also, if we want to make it start, also if we want to move, and here we have the document status. So firstly, we have here other options like, for example, here we have file. You can just select if you want a new document from template gallery also. Then we have if you want to open, make a copy also. Then we have if you want to share with others, publish to the web, and we have here email, this file, email draft, and we have here download. If you want to hear Microsoft Word, open document format, rate, PDF document, and other options. Then we have here for a name, move, add shortcut to drive, move to the trash, and we have here version in its history. Then we have make available offline details if you wanted the language also, page setup, and we have the print here also. Then we have here edit. As you can see, you have also here view, insert, and we have here format, as you can see, extension, and we have here also here. So firstly, before I show you how you can type here, I will show you here we have three options, as you can see. The first one, which is meeting notes. So we have here date, calendar event, and we have here also attendance. So you select the person that you want. Then if you want to add notes, you go to the notes here, and we have here if you want to add action items, you go to the action items. Then we have email draft. So we have here if you want to just to write, if you want to send an email, you have just to click over email draft. Then we have to select the person that write the email, then the person that received the email, and we have to write the subjects and then write the email you want or the message email you want. Then we have more options like here we have date, drop down, we have place holder chip, and we have here meeting notes, product roadmap, we have review tracker, projects assets, and we have a launch content tracker, as you can see. So for example, I will write something, I will show you how you can do that. So firstly, we have this option which is search the menus. So you have just to choose if you want a page setup, drop down, meeting notes. Then we have here also other things like endo, redo, and we have here print, spell and grammar check, pen format, and we have here so. as you can see. For example, I'll write firstly the title here. I will select here, for example, title firstly, then I will select the size that I want. For example, if you want to select the max one, which is this one, and we have here if we want to bold or italic, or we have here underline, text color. Then you have just to select also the alignment here. We have here line and paragraph spacing, then we have checklists, and we have your bolded lists. And we have numbered lists also and more options. So I'll write, for example, Google Docs, as you can see. As you can see, this is how it looks. So about this one, I didn't want this one. I will just choose this one, and we'll write this one again. So I will choose this size. So let's wait. We'll write here Google Docs. First, I will choose also bold, and I will choose title also. Write, for example, Google Docs. This is it. Then if you want to come back, so I'll just click over enter, and right now we choose to, for example, heading, and you choose the font that you want. For example, here we have Faris Thanks, and then we have here the size that you want. For example, we'll choose here 60, and I will choose here, for example, 36. Then I will choose if it as I like underline also. Then I'll write here how to start with Google Docs. Google Docs, as you can see. So firstly, I will make it like this one. So I will make it number list, for example, this one. Then I will, if I come back right now, I will find this one. So I will choose firstly this heading like that, as you can see. And I will just click over here, and I will just come back right now, as you can see. Then I will choose, for example, here I will choose underline again, and here we have I will choose so the same thing. For example, choose 36. About this one I talked. Then I will choose also here header one like that, and I will write, for example, how to share on Google Docs, how to share documents with Google Docs. So this is it. And then you have just to click over here if you're done, over here, and here we have also other options like try Gemini. Here we have the option to join a call here or present this tab to the call. Then we have here show all comments. Last it was seconds ago also. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.